Good morning students. Today we will start the topic solution of central problem. Okay. So firstly, what are the central problem? Yes, in previous video we talk about the central problem. So what are the central problem? Mainly we have talked about three problems. The first is what to produce. What to produce. It means what type of goods should be produced in the economy. Second is how to produce. How to produce. Third is for whom to produce. For whom to produce. Whom to produce. Okay. So mainly there are three problems: what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. What to produce means what type of good should be produced in the economy. Then how to produce means what technique should be used in the production. Okay, as we have talked two type of technique: capital intensive technique and labor intensive technique. So capital intensive technique means more use of capital, means machinery, and labor intensive technique means more use of labor. Okay, then we have for whom to produce means there are two sections in the country: rich section and poor section. So production will be more for the rich section or for the poor section. That will also create a problem. So this also make a choice. The choice should be made for whom to produce, how to produce. These are the problem. But there is also solution of this problem. Okay, so what are the solution? Solution depend on the type of the economy. Okay, so what are the type of economy that we have discussed in our first chapter? Mainly three type. First is central planned economy. Central planned economy. Okay, market economy, and that is also called capitalist economy. Okay, capitalist economy. And the third is mixed. So what type of solution will be in the economy? That depend on the type of the economy. So first we have central planned economy. It means all the resources are under the government control. It means the problem what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce, all this is a decision regarding to production will be taken by central authority. Okay, so central authority, or we can say that government will decide in the economy that what to produce, what type of good should be produced. What type means capital goods should be produced or consumer goods should be produced. That decision will be taken by the government. What type of technique should be adopted, that will also decision will be taken by the central authority. For whom to produce, it means there should be more production for the poor section or for the rich section. That also will be decided by the central authority. Okay, so in central planned economy example can be like Russia. Russia is a central planned economy. Okay, socialistic economy, it means all the decision related to production, what to, how to, for whom to, all these decisions are taken by the government. Okay, then the second is market economy. We can say capitalist economy like USA. Okay, so in this type of economy, all the resources, owner of the resources are, we can say, industrialist. Okay, means there is no any central authority that decide the production. In this, individual industrialists are, or we can say firms, are free to decide that what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. All this decision in market economy are taken individually. Okay, means industrialist, or we can say producer, is free in this market economy. Okay, producer is free. He can decide himself that what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. So in market economy, producer are free to take decision. Then the third we have mixed economy. Mixed economy, okay. So in mixed economy take the merit and demerit of both central plant and market economy, okay. So in mixed economy, some decisions are related to production is taken by the producer, okay, means in certain areas producers are free to decide about the production, what type of goods should be produced, what technique should be adopted, for whom to produce. So in certain area in mixed economy producer is free, but in some areas government decide, or we can say government take the decision related to production, okay. So we can take the example like a mixed economy. Example, India is an example of mixed economy only, okay. So we can see that in India, steel and cloth industries are free to decide, okay. There is no restriction on this type of industry that what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. So these industries are free to decide, okay. Producers are free about the production decision. There is no restriction by the government on this type of production, okay. But if we see the railway, so in railway, government decide, or we can say government take the decision, relating to production, okay. So in railway sector, government decide or government take the decision related to production consumption, okay. So we can see that solution of the central problem in the three economy vary from the economy to economy. Why? Because the type of economies are different. In the world, all the economy are not the same type. Like India is mixed economy. Here some sectors are under government control, fully government control, okay. But there are many sectors in which they are under the private control. Like we can say cell phone producing companies, they are private, okay. Cloth manufacturing companies, they are private, or we can say multinational companies, these are private, okay. But if we take like railway, okay, atom, so nuclear we can say जो department है that is fully under the government control. So these type of industry which are under fully government control, so in these industry government take the decision relating to production, but in private producers are free to take the decision, okay. And in market economy, we can say capitalist economy, producers are free to decide about the production, but in central planned economy only government decide about the production, okay. So students, we have discussed today about the solution of the central problem, okay. In the next video we will discuss about the PPC, production possibility curve, okay. So watch the video and also read from your book. If you will not read from your book, then you will not be able to get the point that what is the actual point, okay. So watch the video and also read and prepare notes accordingly. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.